we want to give a special thanks to Just Play for providing us with these toys. Today on Unbox Daily, it's top secret. Our besties at Just Play sent us a mystery box that we cannot open until December 26, 2018. Wait, that's today! So today, we are taking a look at Hairdorables Series 2. Big hair, don't care. All 12 girls from the Hairdorables YouTube series are back with new hairstyles, new fashion, and accessories. Because 2019 is coming, and you know what that means. New year, new do. Hairdo, that is. Pull, peel, and reveal to see our new styles and a brand new surprise. The new year and new changes are coming. Have some cold water ready and see what's inside. Happy holidays and best wishes for a Hairdoable New Year. Noah. Gotta go get some cold water. These boxes are numbered 1, 2, and 3, so let's open one first. I love opening stuff. We have some colored hair extensions and hair accessories, so we can be Hairdoable too. Box number 2 is popcorn and cotton candy. Box number 3, we have a bowl and it says all new color reveal. Every doll comes with one magical color reveal accessory. Fill the bowl with icy water, dip accessory to reveal color change, apply warm water to return to original color. But wait, there are more surprises in here! Pull the tab. I can never do these right. Open it up, and we get to see all of the available dolls for Series 2. Everybody has 2 looks: Noah, Bella, Dee Dee, Sally, Kat, Rain, Callie, Britt, Neela, and Skylar. Harmony and Willow have 3 looks. There is a rare harmonic Harmony and an ultra rare Sea Willow. There are 26 dolls to collect, and they will be available in January of 2019. But we have a little sneak peek to show you right now. Are you ready? Ta-da! For this series, the boxes are pink and say color reveal. On the back of the box, there are some pictures and a list of items included. Doll and outfit, comb, shoes, doll stand, ooh, that's new, accessory, collector's list, 3 stickers, accessory 2, and a signature card. Let's open our first one. And I actually used the pull tab this time. Yay! Inside, we have new backgrounds. Awesome! It's a candy store. That would explain the cotton candy and popcorn. There is a new poster on the back of the collector's guide. Surprise number 1 says Top Knots Rule. Inside, oops, we have a comb and some stickers. Behind door number 2, Funky, Fab, and Fierce. This is some stickers and, oh, some shoes. They're roller skates. How cute are those? Door number 3, it's hair. Oh, it's a cute little balloon animal. That is probably one of the cutest things I have ever seen. And it has a leash, so you can walk it. Door number 4, hair it is. Ooh, it's a headband or headphones. I think it's headphones that look like a rainbow with clouds. And now it is time to see our doll. Let's see what's in hair. It's Rain. In her signature look, Rain Festival. She comes with a doll stand that I think is a fantastic addition to the collection. This way we can display our dolls upright and their hair can stay Hairdoable. And let me just say, her hair is awesome. She has a little knot on the side, a ponytail in the back, and curly rainbow side bangs. She wears a teal glitter top that ties in the front, a colorful striped skirt. They are 2 separate pieces and Velcro in the back. All of her accessories help to make an adorable look. We have one more, so let's see who's inside. First, we get a look at The background, which is a carnival or a fair. Surprise number 1 is a blue comb and stickers. Surprise number 2, we have shoes with yellow socks. Surprise number 3 is a skateboard, and there's a little card inside that says color reveal. Let's place it in icy water for an instant change. It now has little flowers on it. I bet Rain's earphones are color change. Into the water they go. Yup. Surprise number 4, we have another set of headphones. Now we can see the doll, who is Noah. Here is Noah in her signature look with long hair that has soft curls in the back and a braid across the front. She wears a blue and white striped shirt with pink overall shorts. The outfit is one piece and Velcros in the back, and she comes with a yellow doll stand. We have this large display here. I place the dolls on the stands, then I pull here for a final surprise.
Hairdorables, big hair, don't care.
That was adorable! Hairdorables come with the basic 5 points of articulation with movement at the head, shoulder, and hip. And the backgrounds make these so much fun. So let's do a quick project to make our own display. Craft time! Use a ruler to draw 3-inch wide strips on a piece of foam board. Cut them out. Cut 2 to be 10.5 inches long and 2 to be 8 1/16. Glue the shorter sides to the longer sides to make a frame. Cut the packaging to remove the backdrop and make it a trifold. Glue a coordinating scrapbook paper to the bottom of the frame. Glue in the trifold to make a picture box where you can display your Hairdorable and her accessories. It is lightweight and the background is thin, so I can use push pins to secure it to a wall. I can have fun making one for every doll in my collection. On our top 10 mini dolls, we gave Hairdorables the #1 spot for 2018. And by the look of these two, I think they're off to a good start for 2019. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at Hairdorables Series 2. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time for another Unbox Daily. And that's our collection for now.
Gotta do something, get it.